Hello everybody, my name's Falco. I've been skateboarding for over 35 years, and one thing that I wanted to share with you is how to keep skateboarding well into your 40s. I'm going to give you 10 ways to keep skateboarding into your 40s. Tip 1 is find something that motivates you. Today what I'm going to do to help motivate myself is I'm going to give you 10 tips on skating into your 40s, and in between each tip I'm going to skateboard and do about 5 tricks. Hopefully I can make it up to 10 tips. Here we go. Step 2 is a healthy diet, including lots of fruits and vegetables, chicken, stuff like that. Keep your body running smoothly. The older you get, the less time you have. You got lots of responsibilities. So tip number 3 is use your time wisely and get the appropriate amount of sleep. Tip 4, I learned the hard way. If there's a trick that you're good at and you really like, you're going to have to keep it queued up or you can lose it. Tip 5, skateboarding is important, but family is more important. That said, the wife's calling, she wants some personal time, so I'm gonna go in and watch the kid, and I'll return to this edit in a couple days. Thanks for watching, I'll see you soon. My next bit of advice is to find something, build something, or donate to something close to your house to skate. This will help when you just have a short window to skate. And one of the benefits is you'll make some lifelong friendships. Tip 7, Find a good crew to skate with. Some of them your age, some of them a little bit older than you, and some of them younger. The younger kids will keep you on your toes. Today I'm with Chris Patnaugh.
How's it going?
And Colin in the back seat.
What's up?
Oh! That's my friend Chris!
Yeah, that's my friend Falco.
Tip 8 is to go on epic adventures. It'll keep things fresh and new. We're at Borrowed Times Farms today. Hey guys.
Hey, sup?
How's it going? Thanks for coming out to Borrowed Time. Hope you guys have a good one.
Phew. Nice. Got Arrow up there. Hi, Arrow. Hey guys.
How's it going?
How's it going?
This ramp looks pretty amazing, but look what we got in here. Got some musical instruments and a full library of old skateboard mags. All right, I'm excited to skate this ramp. Let's do it. This is Jamil. He's got a little something for us.
You.
Check out this awesome diamond grind ride-on rail we found behind the ramp. Super fun. Let's see if Colin can get his trick. All right, that's it for Borrowed Times Farms. Big thanks to Alex for having us over. We're back at the Ewok Compound to finish this edit. I'm gonna give you a little tour and then we'll get into it. All right, tip 9 is find a good pair of skate shoes and buy a few pairs of them. Good skate shoes are gonna help you a lot. Trust me on this one. I've chose the Chris Jocelyn's. They seem to work really well, and I'm on my like 3rd or 4th pair. Oh yeah, time for tip 10. Skate transition. This has helped me immensely. Get good at it, practice it, have fun with it, warm up with transition. Sometimes it just hurts to ollie down things, ollie up things, especially when you get older. So if you can get good at transition, you're gonna have a lot of fun. Learn some new tricks. All right, I could probably go into tons more tips, but for now we're gonna call it at 10. If you have any ideas that have helped you skate longer, let me know in the comments below. Thanks a ton for watching. Until next time. Oh, that coping is crunchy today. I love it.